Hey, did you guys see that Lion brand Mandala put out new colors? I'm so excited. I know. It's the little things, you know. Okay, so I seen them at online at Joann's because my store is really far away. They're not available for shipping yet, but since they're on their site, they will be soon. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. For those of you who like the Mandala yarn, let's look at them. It's so weird because I was just at my Walmart the other day and I said, man, I wish Mandala would come out with some new Mandala Ombre colors. Oh my gosh, they did. Well, a couple new ones. Quite a few of the regular mandalas. Anyways, let's just take a look. I'm so excited. I just want to let you guys know, so maybe you know, I don't know if they're in store at Joann's or not. I mean, they possibly could be. They weren't on Lion Brand's website. I will stock Joann's every night and every day until they say they're available for shipping. I don't know why I used to collect Mandala. I mentioned that I had every color and every variety. I don't anymore. But I still get super stoked when they get new colors because I like to try them, you know, and look at them. I'm going to turn my camera around. I have to show you on I'm sorry, you know. It's small. It's something little, but it makes me so happy to see that they got new colors. All right, let's look at my laptop here and I'll show you what I found. All right, I have to show you on my laptop. Now, if any of you have seen these in your store and you already have them, let me know in the comments to tell me if they look like the picture. I'm just so super excited. All right, first off, I went here, you know, to Joann's. This is Joann's, online at Joann's. I went here just looking at some yarn, right? And I went to the Mandala Ombre right there. And like I said, I was just at Walmart saying, I wish they come out with some new colors. So I clicked on it. And by gosh, they have two new colors. And one of them is really pretty. So one of them is this one right here. It's called Wonder. Oh, I can't wait to get that one. I'm so excited. So it's got off-white, purple, green, yellow, and then there's like an orangish color in there, but you can't really see it. It reminds me of a flower a little bit. I'm going to scroll down a bit and see. Yeah, see if you can see the colors in it right here. That's going to be so pretty. Tell me that's not going to be pretty. It's going to be pretty. Excuse my mess back there on my desk. I'm so excited. And then they had one more new one, which kind of looks similar to the other ones I think that they have already, but that's okay. This one's called Transform. Let's look at it. That's pretty too, but it does look similar to, you know, the other ones that they have already on the market, except for, I do notice it has it's pretty. It's pretty, but you know what? I don't think I'll get this one right here. I want this one, the Wonder, so bad. It looks like so springy and so flowery. I'm super stoked about that. So this is the Mandala Ombre. I don't really consider it an ombre. It looks more like a gradient or something to me, but it's still beautiful regardless of what they call it. I love it, and I can't wait to get it. Okay. And I have tutorials made out of some of these Mandala Ombres, so make sure you check them out. So that's the new color of the Mandala Ombre that I want, Wonder. And I'm going to stock Joann's website until it becomes available. Because if you look down here, it says that it's not available to ship yet. It's out of stock. I don't know. I don't even have my store set up. I'm not even signed into my account, so. All right, now I'm going to show you. I noticed. Now, I'm not super extremely up to date on the Mandala colors, not as much as I used to be. So perhaps if I'm wrong, you know, I make any mistakes saying one is new and it's not, please correct me in the comments. Or if I miss one, please let everybody know that I missed it and let me know as well. I noticed that the Mandala, before I show you the regular Mandala, I did notice that the Mandala Sparkle had some new colors. Let's check them out. Want to? Okay. I think these are new. Remember, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty certain. Let me see here. That this one is new. It's called CETUS. Cactus. I'm pretty certain. Oh, that's so beautiful. I love it. It's so pretty. And let's see. I know that one's not new. I'm pretty sure this is new and I really want this one. It's called Monoceros. Monoceros. In case you can't read it because it's kind of far away and I can't pronounce anything. But I want it so bad because it's rainbowed. Look at that. Oh, I know that's new. They didn't have that Mandala Sparkle before. I know they have a Mandala Baby that's a little similar, but this one is really pretty and bright. I can't wait to get that. I know I definitely want that one. Let's see. That one is not new. I do believe this one's new. Volan. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's very, very pretty as well. Blues and greens, blues and greens. That's pretty. The sparkle's blue in it too. I love that one. And they all do say out of stock for shipping. So that's probably another good indication that they're new, is that they say that they're out of stock for shipping. I'm not sure about that one. Let me look. No, that's not new. No, that's not new. No, that's not new. All right, so that was the new colors of the Mandala. Wait. Is this one new? Let me guys know. Pyxis? Pyxis. Oh, that might be new. It says it's out of stock for shipping, which could be a good indicator like I mentioned, but I'm not certain. You guys can let me know. It's really pretty. But the ones for the sparkle that I really want, that I'm going to be waiting for, is the Monoceros, which I'm probably not pronouncing right. The sparkly rainbow. Super stoked. And I want this one. A Volan. I don't know why. It's just so gorgeous. So I'll be waiting for those. All right. And then they had new mandalas. Regular mandalas, right? Mandala. However you say it. Whatevs. I know what you mean. You know what I mean. Let's check them out. I didn't see any new in the bonus bundle. And I didn't see any new in the baby. But you guys, please, if you are real familiar with Mandala, check it over and correct me if I'm wrong. Oh my gosh, some of these are so beautiful. First up, I definitely have to have it. I have to. This is new. Banshee. Look at this and tell me that is not Bagoday all over. That is Bagoday's colors 100%. I have to have it. This is the one I've pretty much been stalking for. This one, and I like that Mandala Ombre one really a lot. I really want this one. Banshee. So I do believe that one's new. And then some of these, like I said, I'm not certain. Okay, I think this one's new as well. This one is called Bowtruckler. It's pretty too. Ooh. Purples and golds and pinks. That's beautiful. I like that one too. Very pretty. Okay, I'll go through them all. Just to make sure. This was called a Bowser. Now it says it's not available to ship. Is this one new? I don't ever remember seeing it, but that doesn't mean anything because I miss a lot when it comes to these. But it's very pretty. All right, and then let's see here. This one I do believe is new. It's called Doxy. Look at this one. Very, very pretty. I'm so excited. I'm such a nerd. That one's not new. That one's not new. That one's not new. Not new. Not new. Okay. Not new. This one, I don't know. I can't remember. Kappa. Kappa. Is that new? To me, it's new. I don't remember ever seeing it. It's very pretty. And it says it's out of stock, but that don't mean anything. But like I said, usually it's a good indicator, but it doesn't mean anything. Okay. I'm pretty certain that, no, that one's not new. This one's new, I think. Loch Ness. The Loch Ness. Is that new? It's pretty, if it's not. correct me, please, you guys, please. Like I said, I'm not up to date on these mandala colors. I'm just going by what I can remember. Let's see here. Mantis. Is this a new one? I think it is. Ooh, that's bright. That's pretty. I love that. It's so bright. It's so pretty, and I love it. Okay. And then Moomba. Moomba. I believe this might be a new one as well. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I just can't believe the little things. You know, that one's not new. I want this one too. This one, not this one right here. This is the Sandman. The Sandman. Off to Never, Neverland. Oh, that is so pretty. I have to have that one. I'm stocking for that one too. It's so Bagoday. I have to make something out of it. All right, the next one. Slimer. This one's new too. Let me bring it up. Very pretty and very bright. Love it. Good job, Lion Brand, on these new colors. That's not new. That's not new. That one's not new. Not new. Not new. Not new. Ooh, werewolf? Is that new? Let's check it out. I think this one might be new. If it's not new, I have to have that one. But I think it's very new. That's pretty. I like that one a lot. Okay, werewolf. See what else we got. That's it. Okay, that's it on the new ones that I've seen. Now, please, if I'm wrong and like they're not new, or there are other new ones that maybe I missed. For me, I got to get this Banshee one 100%. I mean, I can't live without getting this. And I'm going to stock Joann's till I get it. And then Sandman is another. I have to. Like I said, off to Never, Neverland. You know, Enter Sandman. You guys like that song, right? I got to get this one. And the other ones are very pretty too. I'm not saying I won't get a couple of the other ones. But those are the two that I want the worst. And I want that new Mandala Ombre pretty bad. I can't get, of course I can't get all of these, but, and I won't. I'll probably only just get a few. But those, I'm just going through them one more time to make sure I didn't miss any that were, the Loch Ness is pretty. Actually, it is very pretty. Very earthy looking. I like that. I just can't decide. No, I've already decided. I have to have Banshee. I have to have Sandman. Probably Loch Ness if it's new. If it's not new, I don't know about it, and I have to get it anyways. And pretty much all of them were like beautiful. Wait, I think there was one more new one. Yeah, there was right here. No, that's not new. Groot. No, none of those are. I don't think any of those are new. I don't think any of those are new. Nope, they're not. All right. Werewolf's pretty too. Actually, I like that a lot too. All right, I'm going to turn my camera back around. I'm sorry I'm such a yarn nerd, but I was just so excited whenever, I don't know, when I seen that new Mandala Ombre colors, the two of them, but I really want that one. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. So I started looking at other mandalas. I'm like, Lion Brand's coming out with new mandala colors. How exciting is that? And they have some that's really speaking Bagoday's language. A few. Yep. So, I just want to give you guys a heads up in case you didn't know. For those of you that love mandala. Like I said, I don't know if it's in stores. And it's not available for shipping right now on Joann's. But since it's on, with my experience, once I put a yarn on and they say it's not available, it's not going to be too much longer before it will be available to ship. So I'm stocking at you, Joann's. Stocking you. Not creepily. Just, I'm going to be looking for those new mandalas. All right? And please, if I made a mistake on any of those colors, let me know in the comments. Say, hey, that one wasn't new. Or if you saw some that were new and I didn't mention it, let everybody know. Let me know too in the comments as well. I would have to check it out, but super stoked. That new Mandala Sparkle, it was pretty too. But I really like that one new Mandala Ombre. The Sandman, I gotta have him. And The other brown one that I was talking about. I don't remember what it was. First one I showed you. Banshee. Gotta get that. Got to. Alright, I know it's kind of a silly video to be so excited over new colors, but some of the new colors are just so Bagoday. And some of these new colors are just going to be so you guys too as well. Check them out. Alright, bye guys.